In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. We're going to switch Chrome search engine from Yahoo to Google so that when you type in the address bar or use the built-in search box on a new tab, your results come from Google. This walkthrough is for the desktop version of Chrome, and the wording you see might vary slightly depending on your version, but the flow is the same. Start on a page where you're seeing Yahoo in Chrome. That could be your current homepage, a new tab, or any page with Yahoo results. What matters is that you're inside the Chrome browser. Now move to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots, often called the More menu. It's to the right of your profile icon and the extensions area. This opens a drop-down with your main browser controls. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's preferences. If you don't immediately see it, remember you can also type Chrome/settings in the address bar in the future, but for now, just stay in the Settings tab you open. On the settings page, look for the section labeled Search Engine. This section governs what search provider Chrome uses when you type in the address bar and what powers searches on a new tab page. Clicking into it ensures we're changing search behavior globally, not just on a single website. Next, select Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This opens a detailed list showing your default search engine and other available providers. You'll see entries with their names, keywords, and the URL patterns Chrome uses to send searches to each provider. Find Google in the list of search engines. To make it the default, click the menu icon next to Google and choose Make Default. Once you do, Google becomes your primary search provider. From now on, when you start typing in the address bar and press Enter, Chrome will use Google to fetch your results. A quick note for clarity, changing the default search engine affects the address bar and the new tab search box. If you have a separate homepage or home button set to open Yahoo, that's a different setting and won't change here. Also, if the settings page looks slightly different, Chrome may have updated its layout, but the search engine area and manage search engines option will still be available. That's it. You've switched Chrome from using Yahoo to using Google for searches. Enjoy more accurate results and a smoother search experience right from your address bar. If you ever want to revisit this, just head back to the same search engine section in settings and adjust as needed.